In this video, we'll be going over a 10-cent Roosevelt dime that you should never spend because this exact coin that you're looking at on the screen right now sold for $57,500 for this one little coin. Can you believe it? Well, it was graded by a third-party company called NGC at a mint state 64. Now please, if you have a coin like this, do not damage it or decrease the condition because that quite literally will significantly decrease the value of the coin. The better the condition your coin is in, the more money it's going to be worth. So why did this coin sell for this much money? Well, you're not really going to be able to tell just by looking at the back of the coin, but as soon as you flip the coin over, you'll notice that something is very wrong about this 10-cent Roosevelt dime. Well, that's because this coin was struck with a cent obverse die. Now, obverse just means the front of the coin. Reverse means the back. Now, you have to be very careful because there are people out there that will try to manipulate coins after watching a video like mine and splice coins together. Luckily, since you're watching this, now you know what to look out for. I advise sharing this video with a friend or a loved one to make sure they never get scammed or ripped off on a coin like this. Because this one was graded by NGC as genuine at a mint state 64, we know that it's real. A company like NGC has a money back guarantee that if they grade a fake or counterfeit coin, that you will get your money back. That's personally why I like using third-party grading companies. Now again, this coin sold for $57,500 in auction. If you come across a coin like this, you're gonna have to know how to sell it for the most amount of money possible. If that's you, then you should know that the Coin and Currency Mastermind community class is now live. Click the link below for more information and I'll see you inside.